Hindi po ako magsisimula kung wala pong palakpakan. At hindi rin po ako gaganahang magpakilala kung wala pong hiyaway. This world could offer us a lot of things. It could even satisfy our dreams. But don't expect life to be perfect nor amazing, because everything is nothing if God is missing. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, in between. Standing in front of you is a 20-year-old stunner, a BS Computer Science student of Pangasinan State University, Lingayen Campus. I am Jane Ranzayo